Today, after my 12 hours of work, I am doing a 10 kilometers easy run because my 100 kilometers trail walk event is underway. There are a few things you need to keep in mind while doing this. Keep your pace comfortable. You should be able to hold a conversation while running. It's better to run slower and longer than to burn out early. Start with a 5-10 minute warm-up of dynamic stretches or light jogging to get your muscles ready. Focus on deep, rhythmic breathing. Try to match your breathing to your stride. Drink water before your run. If it's a particularly hot day, bring a small water bottle or plan your route around water stations. Keep your arms, shoulders, and face relaxed. Avoid clenching your fists or tensing your body. After completing your 10,000, cool down with 5-10 minutes of easy jogging or walking, followed by light stretching. You don't have to run in the crazy dark like me. You can choose your own convenient time to do this easy run anytime.
Woo! Come on, baby. Oh, nice. Nearly there. Nearly there. Come on.
This is amazing to run in the evening because you have more fresh air full of oxygen and out of burning sunlight. But still, you need to be really careful of dark because you might get serious injuries. If you have to run in the dark, then always use head torch or any light options available to you. Never ignore safety procedures and stay away from any injuries, slips, trips, or fall.
All right.
Alright, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and consider subscribing. And if any questions, comment down below. Take care and happy running.
Done. Come on. That's it.